What is up, guys? Thank you for tuning in to another video today. In case y'all haven't seen the updates on TikTok, if you haven't, go ahead and check out Survival Jeep on TikTok. Help me build that page up. I post some more freaking updates about what's going to be coming to the channel on there. So if you have TikTok, make sure you drop me a follow on there so you don't lose any updates about what's going on with Jeep and the videos coming out. Last night I posted videos saying that there will be a new upload drop today. In case y'all didn't know, the Jeep is back on the road. The transmission is done. With that being said, I had some things with the transmission that made me have to get rid of my center console. If you saw that on TikTok, go ahead and give this video a like so I know you're an active follower on there and follow this channel pretty well. But if you've seen that, then you'll know how to get rid of the center console. And I made like a diamond plate piece of metal down there, and I relocated my switches from the side of that little plastic, I wouldn't say center console, like that little dash piece. If you have a Jeep, you know what I'm talking about. It only had a 1 cup holder on there anyway, and the only really good thing it had going for it was that's what I had my switches mounted to. But I went ahead and got a holo switch panel. If you're curious about that, I'll give you a better video on that. Just leave a comment below for that update. But without the cup holder, sometimes I have no place to really put either my drink or, you know, my little spit bottle. So the dog's usually going to be right in the back. And on the center console here, yeah, it's got 2 cup holders, but I feel like the dog's going to knock that stuff over. So I checked out Amazon, and I saw they had this little cup holder for sale. So we're going to go ahead and install this today. I'll give you guys a little in-depth look at what I did for the center console, walk you through that real fast, and go ahead and get this installed. I'll leave this product linked. I'm not too sure what kind of quality it is. It seemed like a good deal. It mounts to the grab handle on the passenger side on the dash there. So we'll go ahead and get that installed, and I'll let you know what I think of it, and I'll keep you updated on how it holds in. But for only a couple bucks, figured I'd give it a try since I ain't got nowhere to put my beverages. So let's go ahead. I'll show you what I did here and go ahead and start getting that installed. So this is what I did here for the center console. I got this piece of diamond plate, kind of heated it and bent it around. This was actually under that piece of plastic that normally runs here, so I kept that, and then I moved all my switches to this switch panel here, which is actually really nice, which I also got off Amazon. You know, I try to keep things budget friendly so I can invest in more things that I want to do to this Jeep. So if you want a bigger video on that, go ahead and drop a comment below and let me know. But all I did was I cut this piece of metal. I traced it with cardboard first to cover up that big hole that was here, because under that plastic there was a rusted piece of metal that couldn't be salvaged. So I went ahead and did this. I think this metal was only like 40 bucks at Lowe's, and I only got 1 shot with it because I didn't want to buy 2. So I traced it out with cardboard. You can see I kind of curved it to the Jeep by heating it a little bit. And all I did was get some self-tapping metal screws, give it kind of a rugged, old-fashioned look right there. The cup holder is going to be mounted up here. So let's go ahead and get that installed and show you what that looks like. The Jeep is covered in pollen because it is that time of year again. But let's go ahead and break open this box. Here is that center console, where the center console was. That I replaced that metal from this angle. I think it didn't come out too bad, and gives it kind of a different look. So let me get this box open for y'all. So this is what we got going here. Sorry if there's a bit of glare on the video. I'm just using the lights that I put up there on the Jeep because I'm in my garage right now. This is the cup holder. It's also kind of a phone holder at the same time, which is pretty neat. And then it came with this plate as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this off and get this mounted up. There is 2 nuts, 1 on each side. So you're gonna go ahead and have to drop this out. It just, you unhook this strap that comes down, and I'm gonna see what size these is, and I'll let you know. So if you do this install, go by a little bit faster. So it's a 10 millimeter. It seems like I didn't need to use a deep socket or anything. So if you can find a 10 millimeter, that's what you're gonna use to take this off. So you do have to go ahead and remove both sides. It is a little tight in there to get to, so I use one of these swivel sockets. Go ahead and remove both sides. All right, guys, now that we got the grab handle off, this, I got a little dirty back there, but essentially this is going to sit right up here, and then you're going to take this little plate, put it on the other side, so your grab handle sits even and it's not countered one side or the other. So I simply just slid the cup holder over one side, that piece of metal the other side. Now we're just going to put it back in, bolt it down just like we took it off. Super simple. Tighten it down now. You're going to make sure you hold it where you want it before you tighten it down, just so it's all level and it's flush with your grab handle. Got the metal plate on this side. Now we're just going ahead and tighten this down as well. This is what it looks like from the passenger side. Got the that little metal plate there, and got the cup holder right here. It's great also if you still have your plastic piece that goes there and you want a cup holder for your passenger, or you want it to hold your phone. Now this is it from the driver's side. If you're using it for your phone, it seems like it will angle it just right towards you. I guess we'll see how strong this plastic is when we add weight to it over time, but it seems like it's going to hold up fairly well. At least I hope. I'll keep you guys posted on that, but it took only about 5 minutes to install, and it seems like it's definitely worth a couple bucks just to have that little extra storage for either your phone or your beverage. I would like to also point out about this cup holder is it leaves this little space right here in case you have your phone. You can still have your USB charger hooked up to it and it not get in the way, so you can still charge your phone while you're using that. Alrighty guys, that about wraps it up for today's video. Wasn't that crazy of an install, just found that online, though it was pretty neat. Figured I'd share with y'all in case you wanted something else to put, you know, your passenger's drink, your phone, or if you have a situation like me where you no longer have the ability to keep a cup holder down there. In case you're new to my channel, the reason why I got rid of that piece where the shifter is because I did a V8 swap on this Jeep. If you guys want a more detailed video and you haven't seen how to swap a V8 engine to a Jeep, some things have changed from that video due to trial and error of getting this new transmission in. So if y'all want to see an updated video on that V8 swap, go ahead and drop a comment below and ask for that. Make sure you drop me a subscribe as well, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this video. But I hope y'all enjoy this quick little install. Now that the Jeep's back up and running, we're about to get some more part videos up there and finally get it back out on the trails. So if y'all love Jeeps, overlanding, got some overlanding planned this summer, make sure you hit subscribe. And thank y'all for watching.